Tired of clutter? This mobile kitchen island with a towel rack and storage helps keep your kitchen organized. As always, the link and best price are below this video. Tired of clutter? The mobile kitchen island cart features a built-in towel rack, spacious drawers, and adjustable shelves to help keep your kitchen organized. Its durable rubberwood countertop offers plenty of space for meal prep, while the smooth glide drawers provide easy access to kitchen essentials. With heavy-duty casters for mobility and locking brakes for stability, this island cart is both stylish and functional. Watch the video to learn more and get yours at the best price today. The towel rack ensures your kitchen towels are always within reach during meal prep. 2 large drawers, adjustable shelves, and a double-layered drawer provide plenty of storage for kitchen essentials. The solid butcher block top provides a spacious, sturdy work surface for cooking and meal prep. The steel ball-bearing drawer slides ensure that the drawers open and close smoothly. The rolling design allows for easy movement, and the locking brakes keep the island stable when in use. Looking for a mobile kitchen island with a towel rack and storage? Click the link below to get the mobile kitchen island cart at the best price now.